Did their dad do properly their teaching, their raising? Because, like you saw, their neighbors weren't happy about what he did with them. Because no matter what, rain, sun, snow, they were training, and that's why they became the best in the world.
Absolutely. Look, if you want to be that great, if you want to make that big of an impact, if you want to be a professional, there are different levels of passion and dedication and different levels of hard work you need to put into. Now, some people have a good balance between taking life seriously, being successful, but also understanding that this life is temporary and that you should also enjoy it as much as you do work hard. Some people have different extremes, different levels of extremes going left or right. Honestly, for me, I always try to continue to improve myself in other areas of my life. I try different things, I take risks because I enjoy the process, I enjoy the journey, you know?
You have to enjoy about the journey. The journey is the main thing in lives, because you will not be satisfied when it's over, when you will get what you really wanted in your life. You will maybe be happy for, I don't know, 3 4 minutes, and then you will think, and what's now? And that's why you have to think about the process.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?